Imagine standing in a room where everyone is celebrating, while you're the only person who believes disaster is coming. That sounds impossible, but in 2007, one investor did exactly that. His name was Michael Burry. At the time, America looked unstoppable. People bought bigger houses, banks approved more loans. Experts said the economy had never been stronger. Television hosts praised the housing market every day. Friends told each other, "Buy now before prices go even higher." Almost nobody questioned what was happening. But Michael Burry wasn't watching the headlines. He was reading thousands of mortgage documents, page after page, number after number. The deeper he looked, the stranger everything became. Banks were lending money to people who couldn't actually afford the payments. Imagine giving someone $1 million loan, even though you already know they probably can't repay it. That's exactly what was happening. But here's the scary part. Banks weren't keeping those risky loans. They bundled thousands of them together and sold them as investments. On the outside, everything looked safe. On the inside, the system was slowly breaking apart. Michael saw something almost nobody else noticed. If homeowners stopped making payments, the entire system could collapse. So he made one of the boldest investment decisions in history. He bet against the housing market. People thought he was crazy. Banks laughed. Investors laughed. Even his own clients questioned him. Months passed. Nothing happened. The market kept rising. The pressure grew. Then, small cracks began appearing. More homeowners missed payments. Banks started losing billions. Investors panicked. Confidence disappeared almost overnight. Then came the collapse. The housing market crashed. Wall Street fell. The world entered one of the worst financial crises in history. Michael Burry wasn't lucky. He simply looked deeper than everyone else. He ignored emotions. He ignored the crowd. He trusted evidence. This story isn't really about predicting crashes. It's about independent thinking. Markets change, technology changes, economies change, but human psychology stays remarkably similar. The biggest lesson Michael Burry teaches us: don't follow the loudest voice, but follow the strongest evidence. Because sometimes the smartest person in the room is the one standing alone. Subscribe to Surafel for more real financial stories explained through simple stickman animations.